we're still at Pep Boys, and instead of just doing the brakes, we have to do the rotors too.
We'd have to replace them. We were going to turn them, but there's not enough metal to turn, so we got to replace them.
Yep, so good thing he knows how to do all this stuff.
I'll show you some. Turn it on.
Bolts.
I'll come to you.
Oh, okay.
Here's our problem. See that metal?
Yeah.
There's supposed to be a pad there, like a brake pad on your bicycle brakes.
Oh.
There's supposed to be a pad sticking out there.
Is that the brake pad?
There's no brake pad, but yeah.
Well, is that
So there's your metal. There's our sound that we've been hearing.
All right, well, we're not going to be hearing it anymore. In a little bit. I'm just chilling. I help when I can, but for the most part, I take care of her. She's a handful all on herself. She's been trying to attack everybody. She's like, what? Yep. This is our surroundings right now in Fort Myers, Florida. It's probably about 3 o'clock by now. Maybe it's earlier. That would be really cool. But this was our plan today. So we're not wanting to go anywhere for the day today. We've done some things that we planned on doing, and now we're doing this, which we planned on doing. And then if we have anything, we might hit a PetSmart for Savannah and do some other things that we were planning on doing. That's about it. So we're gonna be back on the road here in just a little bit. See, I told you, she's such a brat. All right, ta-ta for now.
It is 9. There you go. And it looks like there's still space in the parking lot. We thought it might be crowded.